get a monkey? Like, do I just Google it, or?
He's a woman's monkey.
Listening to his chirping.
Yeah.
We were like just sitting over there just listening.
We're just laughing.
He's figured out all the chirp. Some of them, they sound bad, but he's happy.
Hey everybody, we made it to Echo Bluff State Park in Missouri, and it's awesome.
This is our first time here. We've never been here. Always wanted to come. But we couldn't get reservations because it's so popular. And then I happened to see someone canceled a spot for this weekend, so we snatched it up. So we got in late last night. We left home after work, so we didn't get down here till like 8 o'clock. With it being October, it was dark already.
Yeah, 8:30 is when we got here. The roads coming in weren't the best.
Yeah, really.
For driving in the dark.
Really hilly, really windy, really narrow.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind if you're coming.
At night.
Don't.
Yeah,
Come
it's
during
not
the day.
really, it's not a comfortable drive.
No.
I'm not saying you can't do it, I'm saying it's not a comfortable drive.
So anyway, now we have checked out the lodge. We checked out Echo Bluff and Sinking Creek, and we are now headed to Welch Spring to do the trail there and see what that's all about. We're going to give you guys a full overview of Echo Bluff State Park. We're going to do a drive-through tour, a site tour, and share with you everything it has to offer. This is a review of Campsite 6 at Echo Bluff State Park. We were lucky enough to snag this site from a cancellation. Usually this campground is fully booked, and as you can see, it is full of campers. So we're in Site 6, pretty close to the beginning of the loop. Every site is paved, level, has a picnic table, a lantern ring, a fire pit. Some sites have water, sewer, electric. This one is just water and electric, no sewer, but that's okay. We're just here for the weekend. So yeah, pretty nice concrete area. The sites are pretty close together. It gives you more of a RV park feel than a state park feel, but it's really nice here. We really like it. So we will be back definitely for a longer stay than just the weekend. Like I said, this was kind of last minute. But yeah. It's been really nice so far, pretty quiet. Lots of open sky to watch the stars. So Site 6, Echo Bluff State Park Campground, would highly recommend. These bathrooms are basic but very nice and very clean.
Echo Bluff originally opened as a private getaway in 1929 under the name Camp Zoe. In 2013, the state purchased all 476 acres for $1.1 million. And between state and federal aid, it took $52 million for the park to open in July 2016. Check this out. This is site 11 for the walk-in primitive camping. It is completely handicap accessible. It's flat, it's even with the wooden platform, and it's got the big fire ring. This is awesome. Welcome to Echo Bluffs, guys. This is got everything you could think of. This is walk-in site 11 that is handicap accessible. Look at this. It's got a concrete path all the way to it with a wooden platform, no step. How awesome is this? Every site has a nice wooden platform, a fire ring, and a picnic table. I also noticed that some of them are handicap accessible with the concrete pad going all the way to the campsite. You can see there's nothing around this campsite. It is tucked back in the woods perfectly. And the only way to get to the next campsite, keep going up the gravel path that way.